Hi, third graders. It's Miss Dale. I am going to be doing our generating ideas writing lesson for today. We are on day 2 of the power of persuasion. So yesterday we talked about the power of persuasion. We're going to continue talking about it today, but today we are going to brainstorm our topics. So you will end up writing about the things that you are passionate about as far as persuasion goes. So, what does it mean to persuade someone? Well, like we talked about yesterday and in the past when we were reading I Wanna Iguana, when you persuade someone, it means that you make the person believe or think the same way you do about a topic by providing them with evidence that supports your idea. That is one of the most important parts of this. You need to have strong evidence so that you can really persuade the reader. So 3 topics to write persuasively about. So you have three different main topics. So you're either trying to get someone to give you something, or you're trying to convince someone to do the right thing, or you're trying to persuade someone to change his or her mind about something. Okay, so those are the 3 main topics to write persuasively about. Choosing what to write about, right? That can kind of be the hardest part, is coming up with a topic. You might be passionate about so many things, but what are you most passionate about? So what are we going to write about? So as a review, like I said before, you're thinking, okay, do I want to write about persuading someone to give me something special? Is there something special that I really, really, really want? And do I have a good reason to have it? Is there a good reason that I should have it? So just like the kid wanting an iguana. Persuading someone to do the right thing. Is there something that I am super, super passionate about that I want to persuade my readers to change their mind about, to do the right thing as far as doing the right thing? Maybe they haven't even been thinking about the topic that I'm so passionate about, like protecting endangered species or not littering. And then the third is persuading someone to actually change his or her mind about an idea you think isn't fair. So we talked yesterday about the example was that PE should be 3 times a week instead of once a week, with 3 really solid, strong pieces of evidence about it. So that would be trying to change the minds of schools, right? And to make sure that kids got more exercise. So this is the sheet we're going to use. You guys are going to use in Seesaw. So I am going to show you my brainstorming process as I'm trying to come up with the topic I feel strongly about and reasons to support it. And this is something that you will be doing on Seesaw and thinking of things that you are passionate about and feel strongly about, because we're all different. We're all going to have different ideas. One thing that really, really helps is to think about something that might be connected to protecting nature or earth. There are so many topics that have to do with protecting nature or earth. So if you are like me, and I love our environment and I want to protect it at all costs, so I can think of topics connected to protecting nature or earth. It can be changing a rule you think is unfair. If you're really passionate and feel strongly about a rule that you don't think should apply, that this rule should not exist, then you could talk about try and persuade the reader to changing a rule or creating a rule. And then can be about obtaining something, so acquiring something special that you feel you must have in your life. Now you're going to really want to think about having strong evidence. You want to convince your reader that you should have it and why, right? So I have come up with some examples of topics I feel strongly about. And so I want you to follow along as I am thinking aloud and brainstorming aloud. So yesterday we already came up with a topic. You guys came up with a new rule that you would like to have in school, so you can use that as one of your topics. So you're just going to come up with 2 today. Mine from yesterday was PP should occur 3 times per week. Ooh, at least. Okay. And then I had my examples. Okay. Then I had my examples from yesterday, which were exercising, keeps our hearts healthy. I'm just going through this quick. Keeps our hearts and bodies healthy. Okay, so I have PE should occur at least 3 times per week, and I have my 3 reasons that support that. Exercising keeps our hearts and bodies healthy. Exercising reduces stress and increases focus, and exercising is good for our mental health. Those are 3 strong reasons that support it. Okay, so the other topic that I was thinking about is, as I said, I absolutely love our environment and I want to protect it, and I love animals. So the other topic, I absolutely get so frustrated, angry, and sad about poaching, animal poaching. And that is just like the illegal hunting and killing and selling of wild animals. So I'm going to call it animal poaching needs to end. All right. All right, so my reasons are animal. Okay, so animals are becoming endangered and extinct, even extinct or almost extinct because of the high rate of poaching. What I would add if I was actually writing my actual paper, I would add that like the black rhinos and the African elephants and this one type of zebra are actually becoming extinct. There are only 2,000 of those zebras left, and there's the black rhino truly will be extinct soon, and the African elephant, if poaching continues, will be extinct in 10 years. So I would have a lot of facts to support my topic. Okay, the other part is that it's already illegal. This poaching is already illegal, so it definitely needs to end now. It's illegal for a reason. Okay, so and then poaching is already illegal. It's just not always. People don't always get in very much trouble depending on what country you're in, but that is a good reason. It's illegal already, right? So it's obviously not okay. And the last one I have is, poached animals, like animals. All right, guys. So those are my 3 reasons that support my topic that animal poaching needs to end now. And what you guys are going to do is you are going to see this sheet in your Seesaw assignment, and I want you to come up with 2 topics. You can use the one that you did yesterday, or you can come up with a new one if it's not something that you're passionate about, the new rule in school. And you're just going to come up with 2 topics that you are passionate about and give 3 reasons that support that topic. And as I said, it can be connected to protecting nature or earth, can be changing a rule you think is unfair, and can be about obtaining something special that you feel you must have in your life. All right, persuade away.